I'm going to get a little bit out there with this one, so bear with me. This is all about breaking habits on guitar and approaching it from a different angle so you stop using the same licks over and over again. This one's for my Rut Buster playlist, and welcome to Music with Marky. So we've spoken about the one-note guitar solo, odd tuplets, following a drum fill, all kinds of things on this Rut Buster playlist. And today we're going to get really weird, and we're going to play guitar lines based on the spoken word. It works, I promise.
This guy is f***ing stupid!
I have 16 measures of background music here that I'm going to play over, and we are going to build a guitar line or a guitar lick out of these two sentences. I like to play guitar, it's so good. Playing that on the guitar. I like to play guitar, it's so good. Sounds a little weird doing it that way, right? Let's play it over the music. So it's as simple as that. You can see I just used it sparingly there. It created kind of a theme, a rhythmic idea, that cadence. Any cadence like that, and then the second part of the sentence with that quick, the contraction, it's so good. You can take that rhythmic cadence, what you spoke, and play it all different parts of the neck and mash up the notes differently. But the idea is that it gives you a theme you can play with that takes you someplace you wouldn't normally play if you were just letting your fingers do the walking. Let me use a different sentence. Try this, no really it works. Try this, no really it works. Now I'm saying it a little bit more staccato than I would speak it, but it led me to a way of playing where I had that little pause after the first note. Not something I would normally think of. Let's put it against some music. So obviously when you put it to the music, it takes on more of a groove and a rhythm, as I was saying right before it there. But just trying to play to something spoken will take you into a different place and have you creating different lines, and that's the whole point of a Rut Buster. So if you have any questions or comments, any ideas, something you want to see me cover further, let me know in the comment line below. I get back to everybody as soon as I can. And until next time, guys, keep making great music. Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. It makes the whole world better.